Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the project we're making today. Isn't it so cute? Okay, so the stamp set that we're using is Signs of Santa. This will be available September 5th, but we're also using the Blended Seasons framelits along with the coordinating framelits that goes with the Signs of Santa. But this one's retiring the end of August, so we have a couple more days. Here's the flyer over on my website. There's the bundle that includes the stamp set and the framelits, or you can buy them a la carte, which is just the Stitch Season framelits. So I can live without the stamp set, although I like it. I cannot live without these framelits. They're awesome. Okay, so all the details are on my website. We're going to be using the larger one and the smaller one, and I do have another project I'm going to squeeze in, so you'll see two using these same framelits. Okay, so here's the paper we're going to be using. The Designer Series paper. We're going to be using the middle size framelit to cut out the polka dot piece. That's our tag base. We're going to be using the smallest one on the basic black. Whisper white for our tag here. And then our Santa's going to come from the Designer Series paper. Again, this is going to be available September 5th. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that I don't cut out any of the other pieces because they also have matching framelits to cut them out. So you want to make sure that you weave around to get to your Santa. So there's 3 on this page. I've already used one for my sample. So I'm going to take this one right here. So I'm just going to cut straight across with my scissors. And then we're going to take the framelit to cut it out better. This way I can preserve my paper. Okay, and the framelit is here. Okay, so there's that one. And then the Christmas tag, we've got to stamp that first. So what we're going to do is get all of our pieces ready so that when I get the big shot, we're just going to need it one time. Okay, I'm using Memento ink. I've got this other framelit in my hand. Okay, now I'm going to slide this over and we're going to get the big shot. Okay, so big shot, magnetic platform and cutting pad. And I'm going to start with the largest piece. That would be the medium framelit in that collection. Now we're going to cut out the basic black. I wish these framelits were available one more month. I have a couple more ideas. Okay, now we're going to cut out the Santa. Let's see. Here we go. Wrong way. I can tell this one's not wanting to stick real well. There we go. You just want to make sure that all the pieces line up. There's that one. And then we have the tag. Okay. I'm going to be cutting off the end that has the little hole down there just with my scissors. Let's get all of our pieces back in here. I want to make sure I don't lose any of my framelits. Put those back in the bowl. Okay, I'm going to take my scissors and just trim straight across. So we're going to add this one on top just like that. So I'm going to take my snail. Now I normally list all the item numbers on the screen for you, Today I'm going to point you to my website to download the free PDF that will have all the item numbers on it. I am crunched for time. My son's wedding is in a couple weeks, and so I would rather do it imperfectly than not do it at all. So those item numbers will be on my website, and it is free to print. It has everything listed. It has a picture of this project, so head over there. So what I'm going to do is just knot this at the top so that it can be a true tag. If you don't want to do that, you could take some baker's twine and tie a little bow there. That's what I wanted to do, but I really want to be able to hang this. So I'm just going to knot it at the top, just like that. Okay. And now we're just going to place 2 dimensionals on the back of the Santa, and then a mini dimensional on the tag. Okay, now how to place this. So I'm going to put the tag down first, and then add him. And I did try white before, but the Santa didn't pop very well. So if you look really closely, you can see my white layer there. I just felt like the black made it pop since he has a lot of black on him. So I did try the white first. Okay, there they both are. Cute, aren't they? Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye.